decades, the medical community has been focusing on a natural compound in our bodies called hyaluronic acid, or HA, and collagen, both of which are chief components of healthy connective tissue throughout the body. HA and collagen are especially important to knees, elbows, wrists, and the spine, where it is present and is responsible for joint function, lubrication, comfort, and mobility. They are also a major component of skin essential for hydration, tissue repair, and its youthful appearance. The problem is that as we age, we begin to lose HA and collagen. Researchers, including those at Harvard University, have been doing everything possible to find a way that people could benefit. But the natural state of HA was too complex for the body to use. It was expensive, and it had to be injected. That's where we stepped in. We discovered a unique natural source of HA that naturally coexists with collagen as it does in our bodies. And we tested and developed it into a nutrient that could actually be absorbed into the body and deep into the tissues. It's called Liquid Biocell, and it's a complete breakthrough in the nutraceutical community. After numerous clinical trials, Liquid Biocell was shown to improve joint health significantly. Plus, it also reduced wrinkles from the inside out. So remarkable, it has been awarded 7 U.S. and international patents. So unique, it has received multiple industry awards, including Best Bone and Joint Health Ingredient, Personal Care New Product Innovation, and Most Innovative Dietary Ingredient. And it's been featured on NBC, Good Morning America, and Fox News. Learn about how this product is helping tens of thousands of people feel better and look younger. Find out more.
Hello, I'm Dr. Louis P. Brady, a retired orthopedic surgeon. I am a graduate of the University of Florida and also of Emory University School of Medicine. I am a board-certified orthopedic surgeon and a clinical associate professor in orthopedic medicine at the University of Central Florida. I believe that what is happening in our joints is that the quality of the synovial fluid is being improved so much that it is beginning to rehydrate the cartilage and to heal the cartilage that is left. One of the things that we probably don't realize is that beginning at about age 14 to 18, when our joints begin to close, the epiphyses begin to close, we lose the blood supply to the joints in every joint in our body. From that day on, for the rest of our lives, the entire nutrition and metabolism of the cartilage in our joints depends on the quality and the amount of synovial fluid in our joints. Liquid Biocell is made up of 3 components in one molecule, basically. They are hyaluronic acid, chondroitin sulfate, and collagen. Hyaluronic acid is what binds our collagen together in our body. It's what holds the cells together. It's what hydrates our body. The collagen is the structure of our body, which makes up our skin primarily, and the joints, all the tendons and whatever in our body. The chondroitin is basically the product that's seen in our joints that is responsible for the hardness of it and the resilience of it. So these 3 components are what Liquid Biocell is all about. I've been asked by many people whether or not Liquid Biocell is only for joints. And of course the answer is no. We're seeing so many unanticipated results coming from the use of this product. We know that the joints are improving. We know that the wrinkles are going away in our skin. We know that we're feeling better. And since every organ system in our body is composed of the vital elements of hyaluronic acid, chondroitin, and collagen, don't you think that it's reasonable to believe that every joint system in our body may be improving at the same time? And I really believe that it is. I was first introduced to Liquid Biocell by a close friend of mine who called me up one day and asked me if I would look at this product and see what I thought about it. After I did the research on it, I became convinced that this is a potential product that could replace and begin to repair cartilage in joints, which we have been trying to do for many years as orthopedic surgeons.
Hello, I am Dr. Jusang Park. I earned a PhD in cancer biology from Stanford, received my MBA at Cornell, and served as research fellow at Harvard Medical School. A common remedy for joint problems is to inject hyaluronic acid into the joint areas. Liquid Biocell helps maintain healthy joints by taking it orally in a highly absorbable form. Human studies show that with daily intake, levels of hyaluronic acid increases by 60-fold, and along with the Biocell collagen's other components, it improves joint mobility, reduces stiffness and discomfort, helps rebuild cartilage, supports connective tissue, and promotes joint lubrication. In an 8-week human clinical trial, 90% of subjects with chronic joint discomfort experienced a 40% improvement in physical activity, and with continued use, many experienced significant mobility. A 10-week trial enrolling subjects at an advanced stage of joint problems showed that more than 70% experienced a significant reduction of joint discomfort and stiffness, improving their daily activities. Liquid Biocell also counteracts skin's natural aging and photoaging, decreasing wrinkles from the inside out without cosmetic injections. The ingredients in this dietary supplement are substantiated by solid scientific research and offer multi-layered benefits for healthy aging. Liquid Biocell is the safest and most effective supplement that I have ever encountered in my career.